Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart SMS notification plugin. Now this particular plugin provides text message notification functionality to the customers. The customers will receive SMS notifications automatically after creating an account, placing the order and much more. The customers will also receive SMS notifications at the time of account update and order update. In this plugin, the customers will receive an instant text SMS notification on their mobile phones through different service providers like Twilio, ClickSend, and Message 91. So, all in all, this particular plugin allows the admin to select an SMS service provider. The admin can add credentials of the selected SMS provider. The admin can set up an SMS template that is used to send different updates to the customer. The admin can add custom SMS and can modify, add, and edit as required. The customers will receive SMS notifications automatically related to accounts and orders. The admin can select any country for sending the SMS to in the configuration settings, and the admin can edit or delete the templates for various SMS notifications. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin. That's the OpenCart SMS notification plugin at the admin's end, wherein I'll be showing you the initial configuration settings, and I'll be showing you how the admin would be able to set up the SMS notifications for the account creation, account updation, order place, and order update. Also kindly note that for knowing how to create the accounts for SMS service providers and how to get the credentials for the same, you can check the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video for more information. There you'll be able to know how to get the account credentials and how to create the account for the SMS providers like Twilio, ClickSend, and MSG91 as well. So before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I have one SMS notification that has arrived onto the customer's mobile phone is for the account creation. So here you can see that it has been sent from the Twilio trial account right now. Congratulations Peter, your account has been created. Now when the account is being updated from the customer's end under their own account panel, at that time as well the SMS notification is sent to the particular customer. Hello Peter, your account has been updated, as you can see right now. Now at the time of placing the order as well, an SMS notification is sent out to the customers there, and here you can see, hello Peter, your order 41 Canon EOS 5D has been placed. Now whenever the order is being updated from the admin's end, at that time as well, for example the order is being updated, the status is being updated there, at that time as well the customers will receive one SMS notification for the same, hello Peter, your order Canon EOS 5D has been updated. So these are the SMS notifications for the account creation, account update, order place, and the order update that the customers receive on their mobile devices there itself. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's log into the admin backend panel of the OpenCart by entering the username, password, and tapping on the login button thereafter. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, that's the OpenCart SMS notification plugin, you'll find one option on the side panel here, that's the Webkul SMS notification. Under that you'll have two different options, one is the configuration settings and SMS template. Now let's go through each of them one by one, but first of all let's go to the SMS template and let's see how the admin would be able to create the SMS templates there. So here you can see that we have created different SMS templates your account has been created, your account has been updated, order has been placed, order has been updated, and here's the message, congratulations with the sort code, customer name, your account has been created, hello sort code, your account has been updated, hello sort code, your order sort code has been placed, hello customer name, your order sort code has been updated. Now if I tap and edit any one of them, we can edit them as well. Here you'll find the add message section wherein you'll be able to give the name which will display at the time of selection in the configuration settings there, and the message of the SMS notification itself, congratulations customer name, your account has been created. Now this sort code can be used from the info section here. So here we have provided different sort codes for the order, product name, customer name, store currency, store name, store owner, store address, store geocode, store email, and store telephone. So these sort codes can be used within the SMS template itself for sending the details to the customers there. To add a new SMS template, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add button, and that will bring up this particular section wherein you have to give the name of the SMS template, and the message would be there, and then you can make use of the sort codes from this particular section, as I've already shown you in the editing mode for the your account has been updated message, or the SMS notification message, or the SMS template that we had already created here. So we have created the SMS templates for the account creation, account updation, order place, and the order updated as well. Now these SMS templates would be available in the configuration settings when we are selecting the SMS templates for the different sections there. So I'll show you that in a while from now. So this was how we can create the SMS templates from the backend panel. Now let's go to the configuration settings. So for that, let's tap here on the configuration settings. So under the configuration settings, here we have two different options. One is the edit Webkul SMS notification module and select SMS template. So here you will be able to select the SMS templates whenever an account is created. So from the drop down, you can choose the ones the SMS templates from the SMS templates that you've already created. You can choose the appropriate one for the SMS when the account is created, SMS when the account is updated, SMS when the order is placed, and SMS when the order is updated. Now apart from that, under here you can enable or disable the status for the SMS notification there by choosing the status as enabled or disabled. Then you have the option to select the SMS provider. Right now we have chosen it as Twilio notification. So we have entered the Twilio account SID, Twilio authentication token, and the Twilio phone number. And we have chosen the country to send the SMS to from the drop down. So we can choose India, USA, or international as per our requirement there. Now the same goes with the other ones as well. So I've already told you to know more about how to get the credentials and how to create the accounts for the Twilio, ClickSend, and MSG91. You can check the user guide that I've attached within the description of this particular video there. So after you have gone through them and you have created your account and you have generated the what we say as the credentials there, then you will be able to select your particular SMS provider from the drop down, and accordingly then you can enter the, for example, if you have chosen Twilio notification, then you can enter the Twilio account SID, authentication token, Twilio phone number, or if you are selecting, for example, ClickSend, then you have to enter the ClickSend username, ClickSend API key, and the country to send the SMS. The same goes with the MSG91 as well. For the MSG91, you will have to enter the MSG91 authentication token and the MSG91 sender ID, and then you will have to tap on the save button. Now at a time, only one what we say as the SMS provider will work, so you can choose it as per your own requirement. So if I'm using MSG notification, then the MSG notification would be used for sending the SMS notifications to the customers on their mobile devices there. And then what you need to do is you need to just tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings. And then whenever a customer is creating a new account, then he'll get the your account has been created SMS notification. If the account has been updated by the customer from his end, then the account updation message would be sent out, order place message would be sent out, order update message would be sent out to the customer. So yes, that was much about the OpenCart SMS notification plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin provides text message notification functionality to the customers, and how the customers will receive the SMS notifications automatically after creating an account and placing the order. The customers will also receive the SMS notifications at the time of account update and order update. In this plugin, the customers will receive an instant text SMS notification on their mobile phones through the different service providers like Twilio, ClickSend, and MSG91. So I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of the OpenCart SMS notification plugin. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uedesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.